With my turnover experience with Careplus, the doctor here is incredibly good service with high education level of medicine use.
We provide medical surveillance, physical and chemical access. Also, we provide lung function tests and also audiometry. Welcome to Careplus Chye Clinic.
Chan, a registered family medicine specialist, the founder of Careplus Clinic, established in 1981, recognized as one of the top medical service providers in the heart of Kepong and Kuala Lumpur. Over 40 years of dedication and commitment, we never feared to deliver first-class service to the patients and to the community. Being a primary care service provider, we don't treat the patients physically, we treat the patients' mental problem and their psychological and social problem as well. So we hold three principles to treat the patients, which is coordinated, continuous, and comprehensive care, which significantly improve the patient's overall health-being. We don't only treat the runny nose, cough, or diarrhea. Over here, we treat more specialized service such as HIV service, sexual transmitted disease, psychological problems such as anxiety, and all the minor surgery as well. One of the reasons why we can sustain until now is because we treat the patients like our own family members. We treat patients wholeheartedly, and we don't treat the main problem, but we try to look into the underlying causes. In Careplus Clinic, everyone deserves quality healthcare. No matter you are rich or you are poor, we treat you equally. When you think about healthcare, think about Careplus Clinic. Be our friends. Together, we serve our best to the community.